One king, Job King, Young Rich, murder. Yeah, I beat him the body. Okay, so I'll be doing a hair tutorial as you would have heard from the intro. These are the things that I'll be using in my hair today: a edge control, free spray, a white tooth comb, and a hairbrush. I'll also be using a scrunchie to keep my hair in place. For the braid, I already have the hair braided, and I'll attach it to my ponytail when I do it, so you'll see that in the end. But at first I try to groom my hair. I just try to get it neatly in one. All right, my hair is freshly washed. It is not stretched or anything. It is not blow dried. So I have some extra work trying to get it neatly in one, and so that's the reason why I'll be using the free spray along with the edge control to try to keep it in place neatly. All right, so I'm just brushing some hair out at the front, which I'll be using for my baby hair. I'm using a toothbrush because at the moment I don't have an edge brush, and this works perfectly fine for me, so that's what I'll be using to do my baby hair. But it's not time for the baby hairs as yet, guys. I'll be doing that to the later part of the video. So guys, since my hair is not stretched, it gave me a hard time getting it in one neatly, so that's basically what I'll be doing for the next couple of minutes, like getting my hair in one. Alright, so guys, after catching my hair and trying to slick it down as best I could, I go ahead and I put my hair into a bun, and this is the bun on which I'll be attaching my braided hair. Alright, so I'm not too concerned about getting the hair like neatly right now, because it's not going to look as neat right now until it is tied down and allow some time to stay tied down. So I'm gonna go ahead with my baby hairs now, which I'm doing, and I add my edge control to my hair, and I use a comb to comb the hair out, the baby hair out, so that it is like knotless and easier to manipulate with the toothbrush or the brush. the edge brush. All right, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm doing my baby hairs, and this is really optional however you want to do them. If you want to do a lot of baby hairs or not too much, that's what I'm doing right now. So I use a comb to help me to straighten the hair out, and then I go ahead with the brush to brush it into whatever style that I want the baby hairs to be in. All right, so after doing the baby hairs, I'm gonna go ahead and attach the hair, and you'll see that later down. So as of right now, I'm doing the baby hairs. All right guys, so I went ahead and I tied my hair down. I tie my hair down because I want for my hair to like lay flat and lay neatly. I want all ears, even the back of my head, to be tied so that the back will lie flat or look neat then. All right, so that's the braid that I'll be using that you had seen earlier. I attached some curling rods to the end of the braid and hot water it, so that because I wanted for the ends to be curly, there is an elastic band attached to the braid, and I attached this elastic band to my bun, and then I secure the hair over the bun. So I put the hair over the bun. You have to ensure that the braid is loose enough to fit over your bun. All right, so that is what I was doing. I was trying to pull the hair apart so as to ensure that it fits neatly over the bun. You don't want the bun to be showing underneath your braid. All right, so I'm gonna put the hair over the bun and use some curling pins to attach the braid to my hair. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead now with the piece of hair around the base of my ponytail or the braid, so as to have the hair blending in seamlessly or looking neatly or even more natural on my head, the braid looking more natural. Alright, so the strip of hair that I'm using, I would need to brush it out so that it looks like, you know, neat, like seamless, no lumps or clumps or knots in the hair. So I'm brushing it out right now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it around the base of the hair until the hair is finished. I use nothing to secure the hair really. I just wrap the tip of the hair. I just wrap it around until it comes to an end, and then I just attach it under the hair. Alright, so that's all that I did. I know it's looking kind of lean right now. However, I'll be wearing the hair to that side that it is right now, or to the back, and so it looking lean right now. It won't look lean at the end, as you could see. Yeah, so I use some freeze spray to like give the wrap a little more security. All right, so I clip the hair up and I add some mousse to the hair. All right, so guys, after applying the mousse, I'm gonna go ahead with the rhinestones, and to apply the rhinestones I am using my lash glue and my tweezer. All right, I try to use some Got2b to help the rhinestones to stay attached to my hair. For it's best though, guys, to put the rhinestones on areas where there's less hair and where there's more scalp, because I believe that when you do that, then the rhinestones will better stick to your scalp than it will to your hair, right? And especially since I'm only using lash glue. So that's basically all I do for this style. Alright, so guys, this is my finished look. This is how my hair is looking now. It's versatile in that I can tuck it behind, or I can pull it to this side or this side. Alright, so I'm so very pleased with how this turned out. Come on, baby, work it. Alright, so there goes my diamonds. Let me give you a close up. Guys, so I have done this for like, this has been done for like 30 minutes. I've tied it for like 15 out of the 30, so it is not going to lay as flat as I'd want it to, so I'm gonna have to go and tie it down now before I head out. Yeah, so this is the look. I hope you can see it properly because it's getting to night time. I'm gonna head out now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you want to see more protective styles like this one or other protective hairstyles, then you can just leave it down in the comments for me to hear it. I'll certainly act on it. I'll certainly do what you suggest for me to do, and of course I love reading your comments and I love your suggestions. Guys, I'm on the road to 1K, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe most importantly, and share this video second most importantly to whoever you think would like these kind of videos. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.